What is Deepfake AI? Deepfake AI is a type of artificial intelligence used to create convincing images, audio and video hoaxes. The term describes both the technology and the resulting bogus content, and is a portmanteau of deep learning and fake. Deepfakes often transform existing source content where one person is swapped for another. They also create entirely original content where someone is represented doing or saying something they didn't do or say. The greatest danger posed by deepfakes is their ability to spread false information that appears to come from trusted sources. For example, in 2022 a deepfake video was released of Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky asking his troops to surrender. Concerns have also been raised over the potential to meddle in elections and election propaganda. While deepfakes pose serious threats, they also have legitimate uses, such as video game audio and entertainment, and customer support and caller response applications, such as call forwarding and receptionist services. Given enough cycles and feedback, the generator will start producing utterly realistic faces of completely non-existent celebrities. Who is making deepfakes? Everyone from academic and industrial researchers to amateur enthusiasts, visual effects studios and porn producers. Governments might be dabbling in the technology, too, as part of their online strategies to discredit and disrupt extremist groups, or make contact with targeted individuals, for example. What technology do you need? It is hard to make a good deepfake on a standard computer. Most are created on high-end desktops with powerful graphics cards or better still with computing power in the cloud. This reduces the processing time from days and weeks to hours. But it takes expertise, too, not least to touch up completed videos to reduce flicker and other visual defects. That said, plenty of tools are now available to help people make deepfakes. Several companies will make them for you and do all the processing in the cloud. There's even a mobile phone app, Zeo, that lets users add their faces to a list of TV and movie characters on which the system has trained. How do you spot a deepfake? It gets harder as the technology improves. In 2018, US researchers discovered that deepfake faces don't blink normally. No surprise there, the majority of images show people with their eyes open, so the algorithms never really learn about blinking. At first, it seemed like a silver bullet for the detection problem. But no sooner had the research been published, than deepfakes appeared with blinking. Such is the nature of the game, as soon as a weakness is revealed, it is fixed. Poor quality deepfakes are easier to spot. The lip syncing might be bad, or the skin tone patchy. There can be flickering around the edges of transposed faces. And fine details, such as hair, are particularly hard for deepfakes to render well, especially where strands are visible on the fringe. Badly rendered jewelry and teeth can also be a giveaway, as can strange lighting effects, such as inconsistent illumination and reflections on the iris. Governments, universities and tech firms are all funding research to detect deepfakes. Last month, the first deepfake detection challenge kicked off, backed by Microsoft, Facebook and Amazon. It will include research teams around the globe competing for supremacy in the deepfake detection game. Facebook last week banned deepfake videos that are likely to mislead viewer into thinking someone said words that they did not actually say, in the run-up to the 2020 US election. However, the policy covers only misinformation produced using AI, meaning, shallow fakes, see below, are still allowed on the platform. Will deepfakes wreak havoc? We can expect more deepfakes that harass, intimidate, demean, undermine and destabilize. But will deepfakes spark major international incidents? Here the situation is less clear. A deepfake of a world leader pressing the big red button should not cause Armageddon. Nor will deepfake satellite images of troops massing on a border cause much trouble. Most nations have their own reliable security imaging systems. There is still ample room for mischief making, though. Last year, Tesla stock crashed when Elon Musk smoked a joint on a live web show. In December, Donald Trump flew home early from a NATO meeting when genuine footage emerged of other world leaders apparently mocking him. Will plausible deepfakes shift stock prices, influence voters and provoke religious tension? It seems a safe bet. What does the law say? Deepfakes are not illegal per se, but producers and distributors can easily fall foul of the law. Depending on the content, a deepfake may infringe copyright, breach data protection law, and be defamatory if it exposes the victim to ridicule. Copyright data protection law derogatory ridicule. There is also the specific criminal offense of sharing sexual and private images without consent, i.e. revenge porn. 2 years in jail. For which offenders can receive up to. In Britain the law is split on this. In Scotland, revenge porn law includes deepfakes by making it an offence to disclose, or threaten to disclose, a photo or film which shows or appears to show another person in an intimate situation. But in England, the statute carefully excludes images that have been created solely by altering an existing image. What's the solution? Ironically, AI may be the answer. Artificial intelligence already helps to spot fake videos, but many existing detection systems have a serious weakness. They work best for celebrities, because they can train on hours of freely available footage. Tech firms are now working on detection systems that aim to flag up fakes whenever they appear. Another strategy focuses on the provenance of the media. Digital watermarks are not foolproof, but a blockchain online ledger system could hold a tamper-proof record of videos, pictures and audio so their origins and any manipulations can always be checked. Are deepfakes always malicious? Not at all. Many are entertaining and some are helpful. Voice cloning deepfakes can restore people's voices when they lose them to disease. Deepfake videos can enliven galleries and museums. In Florida, the Dali Museum has a deepfake of the surrealist painter who introduces his art and takes selfies with visitors. For the entertainment industry, technology can be used to improve the dubbing on foreign language films, and more controversially, resurrect dead actors. For example, the late James Dean is due to star in Finding Jack, a Vietnam War movie. Guarding against deepfakes, a collective call to action for technology, governance, and public vigilance. To counter the growing threat of deepfakes, a collective effort is essential. Technology companies must invest in advanced detection tools, implementing and enforcing policies against deepfake dissemination. Governments should enact or update laws addressing legal implications, fostering international collaboration for shared standards. Educational institutions play a crucial role in promoting digital literacy, while media organizations strengthen fact-checking processes. Technologists need to advance detection techniques, legal professionals should prosecute offenders, and individuals must cultivate skepticism and report suspected deepfakes. Detection techniques. Legal professionals should prosecute offenders. Individuals must cultivate skepticism and report suspected deepfakes. A holistic approach, involving cybersecurity experts and a united front across various sectors, is crucial to mitigate the impact of deepfakes on society. Thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Join me on this exciting journey.